Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. What is your name?
I'm Abby.
Good evening.
Good evening, Abby. Oh, good evening, teacher.
Good
I'm kind of
evening.
sleepy. I said good evening to myself. Good I'm
That
sorry,
was
teacher.
so
I'm very
cute.
sleepy.
That was so cute. You say good evening to
Yeah.
yourself. Yeah,
Yes,
sometimes we talk to ourselves.
teacher.
That's fine. That's fine. Sometimes talking to ourselves is good, right?
Yeah, very helpful.
Yeah, good evening, Abby. It's
Yes,
uh it's
teacher.
Thursday today, so I want to greet you a happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday, teacher.
Yes. So how are you today? How was your day been so far?
It's very good, teacher, but
Yes.
I'm very sleepy too. Very good, but very sleepy.
Yes, it's very what's the weather there in your place right now? How's the
It's
weather?
in our house it's cold, but outside
Hmm.
it's hot.
Wow. How I wish my house is cold too. So, Abby, what makes you do you feel like happy or sad except from
uh
being sleepy?
yes, teacher, I am happy. I actually slept for hold on. I slept for confusing. It's confusing because I
Mhm.
first woke up at 6 a.m. and then at 7 I slept again. And then
Oh.
I woke up around 11.
Oh, you
Yeah.
slept for how many hours?
Yes,
Oh.
it's confusing. So it's from oh no, like
It's okay. It's okay.
oh maybe
When you
total of 10, like
10
total
hours.
of
Yes.
10 hours. Yeah,
Almost.
but still I look sleepy. I
Yeah.
want more sleep.
Everyone wants sleep. Okay,
Yeah.
Abby. So you're a very happy person. I can see that.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher. You
Yes.
too.
So my name first, I'm Hannah. My name is Teacher Hannah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So
you too.
so we are going to discuss on the our lesson for today. So have you read the article already?
No, teacher.
Not
Sorry, I
yet.
just woke up at 11.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Well, I am here uh to help you. So,
Wow, thank you,
okay.
teacher.
Yes. So what do you think is this in the picture? What can you explain what is that in your own opinion?
It says there, emergency food supply.
Yes, the
Hmm.
emergency food supply.
Interesting.
Yes, it's very
Interesting.
interesting. It's kind of new for me also.
Me
So it
too.
is emergency food supply. So here in the picture there are emergency food like tomato basil with pasta.
Oh,
Mm.
wow.
Chili
Instant? What?
macaroni. Oh, I
Oh.
love that chili macaroni.
Hmm. Oh, so
Baked
all
potatoes.
teacher, all of these are already cooked?
Yes, they are already cooked.
Wow.
Yes, we are going to
Wow.
discuss it later. Okay,
I
so
want to go
it's very
to
interesting,
that
right?
place.
Maybe I
Yeah.
would if maybe it's very yummy. It's like
Mhm.
cheesy macaroni. Sounds very
Chili
yummy, right?
macaroni, cheesy
Yes.
macaroni, mashita,
Mm,
mashita.
yes.
Delicious. All
Delicious,
of these are
creamy
delicious.
pasta, right? So
Mm.
this is our lesson for today. Very interesting. So I want you to read Abby the article, the title first. Okay.
Okay, teacher. So, the title,
Mm-hmm.
Doomsday Meal Kit goes
Mm-hmm.
on sale.
Doomsday Meal Kit goes on sale. So, can you read the article?
Yes, teacher. Retail stores and websites recently started
And
selling a bizarre meal kit. It is meant to prepare people for the end of the
the
world. Oh
world
no!
scary.
Very scary. We stop reading,
Okay.
teacher. I don't like. The meal kit named Ready Wise Emergency Food Bucket contains 150 servings of various foods that are freeze dried or what's the next word?
Dehydrated.
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 Dehydrated. This allows the food to stay edible for
And
25 years.
5 years. Wow.
Oh, wow, very
Okay.
long. Let's
Next.
buy, teacher. Let's
Yes,
buy.
yes. Okay, I have a question. So how many servings of the various food that are freeze and dry? So the Ready Wise emergency food bucket? How much? How?
150, teacher. 150.
Yes, 100
There are 150 servings
servings.
of
Yes, a lot.
various foods.
So it could be 150 people, maybe,
Servings?
right? That
Yes,
could,
one serving per
yes.
person.
That's really very many. Okay, so
Oh,
the meal kit features 80 full servings. The meal include a wide variety of rice, pasta, soup, and cereals. So the product
wow.
went viral after a cookbook author shared a video about it on social media. It sells for about $80. Wow. And people online have also dubbed it the apocalypse bucket or the doomsday meal kit. It's not
Oh
just
no,
about a
very
survival,
scary.
okay? It's
Oh
very scary,
no.
right? It's just not about
Yes.
the survival. But the product
Mm-hmm.
description reads that it's about maintaining normalcy, comfort, and even enjoyment. So maybe the food is not just for survival of a person or of a family, but also it tastes good. I think it really tastes good.
Yes,
So
it
you can
should
eat it.
taste good.
Hmm. So you can
Because
have it
yeah, it's 25 years,
years,
right,
right? It
teacher?
the shelf
It's
life
good.
is
Yeah,
25 years. That
25
was a lot.
years.
Hmm. And also I think it's very you can eat you can have it even it's not in a
Hot.
doomsday or it's not
Yes,
a
teacher.
typhoon or right
Emergency
emergency
food.
yes, so you
Yeah,
can
I
still
heard,
have it.
teacher, is it true it's in the US? US?
Yes, in the United States I think. Yes,
Yeah.
it's in the
Yes.
United
We should
States. You
go
can buy
there. Let's
buy some.
buy some. Yeah, in the
Cereals
United
cheesy.
States.
Yes. Maybe. Okay. So we have here some questions. So what is in the meal kit and how is it
Mm.
made and why?
Yeah, teacher. The meal kit it
Hmm.
contains freeze, dried or dehydrated foods.
Yes,
Um,
very good.
like pasta,
Pasta,
rice,
rice.
soup,
Yes,
and cereal.
very good. How about how long can the meal kit stay edible?
It can last for 25 long
Yes.
years.
Yes, 25
25.
years. Wow,
Mm-hmm.
that was
Mm-hmm.
maybe I was like 25, 28. I was 40 plus already.
Oh, so you are 28, teacher.
Yes, I'm already 28 years
Oh.
old. So, okay,
Oh.
very good. You answer it well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have here some questions too, but it depends on your opinion. So, do you think the meal kit is very practical?
Yes, teacher. I think
Mm.
it's very practical because
Mm-hmm.
it's for emergency purposes. Yeah, though
And
it may
yes.
not be necessary for everyone.
Mm-hmm.
but it's good because no need to cook.
Yes,
Yeah,
no
it's
need to cook. So it's very convenient.
convenient.
Yes,
Yes,
it's
teacher.
very convenient. Okay. It's very convenient to
Convenient.
everyone. Yes. Okay. How about how would you prepare for the end of the
Oh no, teacher. You know what?
world?
Thinking of end of the world makes me very scared. I
Really?
don't I
Why?
don't like that because actually I don't believe in end of the world. Doomsday, I don't believe in doomsday because I have a religion. Yes.
Oh, okay. So it's
But
because
for
of your
others,
religion, you don't believe
yeah,
in end of the world. It's okay. We have different opinion
yes,
about that, okay? So
yes,
it's
teacher.
okay.
How about
So
you,
you
teacher? How about you?
well, me, maybe I will prepare like when a disaster or like that strikes. I think
Mm-hmm.
I believe in end of the world. Not really end of the world. I believe
Oh,
that everyone
scary.
will yes. Well, I'm ready. I'm always ready, you
You're
know.
ready? You're ready, teacher?
Yes, I'm
Oh,
ready.
very
Well,
brave.
when I'm going to prepare in the end of the world, maybe I need food and water or some tools to protect me and my family. So maybe I will have a lot of supply of survival food, also like this,
Okay,
emergency
teacher.
food.
You should
So
fly
maybe
to
this
the
is the best.
US. You
Yes.
should fly to
So
the US to
I
buy
think so.
some.
So maybe will be the best purchase that I can make.
Yes, very useful.
Yes, it's very useful. So it's okay that you don't believe in the end of the world, so you wouldn't prepare anything. It's okay. Okay, I do appreciate that. So we have here the sets of our vocabulary words. So what do you think? What is the word that you don't understand?
I don't know bizarre, teacher. What is bizarre?
Bizarre. This one, bizarre. So bizarre means you feel very strange or unusual. So that it what means the bizarre. So
Like
can you
the
choose one? Hmm?
milk kit, the Doomsday milk kit. It's a bizarre. Bizarre. It's yeah,
Yes, it's
very
very
strange.
strange, very
Yeah,
unusual, just like that.
yeah.
So can you choose a word that you know here, and then you're going to make it into a sentence?
Ah, word that I know. Go
Yes, you
viral.
read.
Go viral.
Go viral. Can you make a sentence out of this word?
Go go viral. Okay, teacher. I would like to go viral.
I would
Um,
like.
to go viral on social media. Oh,
Wow, is that your dream?
not really my dream, but
But
yeah, it's like
you,
my alter self, like my other self want to do it.
well, okay. Me too. I want to go viral on social media.
But teacher,
uh,
you're viral.
yeah,
You're
that's our
viral.
secret.
Yes, teacher. I think I
Okay.
saw you somewhere.
Wow. Okay, so we are already done with the lessons, and we have here the key expression go viral.
Yes,
Go
teacher.
viral means like you're quickly and
To
widely spread or
to
popularized
become
by social
famous.
media.
Yeah,
Yeah,
become famous, teacher.
become
Go
famous.
viral. Yes.
Yes. So can you read this for me?
Go viral.
And this
Yeah, teacher
sentences?
Hannah goes viral. Correct, teacher.
Yes,
Teacher
correct. Oh, yes, correct. Okay, can you
Okay.
read the sentence here?
The product went viral after a cookbook author shared a video about it.
Wow. Okay, how about this one?
I thought the online video would go viral.
Wow, very good, Abby. Good job.
Thank you, teacher.
Yay! So we are already done with our lesson, Abby. Thank you so much. But in your areas of improvement, well, you answered it very well. You're very honest with your answer, and I do
Yes,
appreciate
teacher.
that.
Honesty
So
first.
let's just practice reading. But all your performance, your pronunciation, and your sentence making, it's all good. Okay, just practice more reading. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. So see you in our next class, Abby. Thank you
Yes,
so
teacher.
much.
Thank you. Bye, teacher.
Good night.
Good night.